Hello everyone and welcome to Disney's Wilderness Lodge. I'm Rhino and along with Craig Williams behind the camera here, we are going to be taking you on a pool view room tour today. Before we do that, I want to remind everybody that this and everything that we do here is brought to you by Dreams Unlimited Travel, experts in helping you plan the perfect Disney vacation. When you book with them, it costs you nothing extra on your trip and you help support the channel and all the content that we produce. So visit them on the web at dreamsunlimitedtravel.com, and without further ado, the room tour. This is the hallway. It's a nice hallway. It's got some these like cool sliding closet doors here. It's actually very fancy, I feel like. It's like I don't know what these guys are for here on the bottom though. What do you think those are for? Just to hold luggage. So when the ship's moving?
You got me.
When the ship is a-rocking, the luggage will be standing still. Anyway, you got your extra pillow up here. Got some hangers. My stuff won't be in your room. Well, who knows? We'll see where the night takes us. But over here we have actually I think this door is really cool. So the bathroom is right to the side here, but I want to show you the door. It's like, look how big this door is.
It's a big barn door with a glass.
That's a big barn door. Hello. Big barn door here. So why don't we go in there, take a look around in this bathroom. I feel like I was trying to think of a fancy word for bathroom. What is the fancy word for bathroom?
Poop closet.
Poop closet. I was going to say boudoir, but that's bedroom. Okay, the first thing that I noticed when I first came in here was this cool like piece of what do they call these, geodes?
Yeah, I don't think it's real though. I'm pretty sure it's just a painting and it's like see-through.
Oh, it's like a little nightlight in here though. Can you dim that? Oh yeah, it's not as nice when it's not on. Oh, that's nice. Okay. You got some hangers on the wall here. You got your. This is like a crazy weird thing to enjoy, but I do like this like choice of metal. Like I don't know if it's
like
it's not real obviously because it feels a little plasticky, but I like the aesthetic of it with the countertop they've chosen. I've also noticed, which is interesting, it's a tub shower with the rain, sort of rainish.
Yeah.
I feel like it's not quite, if it's rain it should be like here, but with the two nozzle thing there. And what's interesting though, sliding glass door. Normally,
we can't hear you now.
Oh, that was a terrible Ace Ventura reference. Anyway, it's normally a curtain, so I very much appreciate this because I absolutely hate when there's a shower curtain because no matter what, it always like sucks in on me, and I'm like, get off. It's gross, and I hate it. You've got some hooks, plenty of towels in here. I mean, it's a pretty decently sized tub. That's a toilet, hence where the poop closet comes from. Because guess what? Another little hidden door in here.
Where'd he go?
Where is he?
Where'd he go?
Oh, don't mind me. I just had some business to attend to. That made it sound like I used the bathroom, but totem pole. Where's this
like
hotel?
The ones in the lobby.
Yeah, but not the cool one. The cool one is the one with Mickey where they're all sitting on Humphrey. Because I love Humphrey.
Oh, they're all cool.
H2O products and the classic no stealing those anymore. Here's what you do. You bring yourself a jug. Maybe a mason jar. You didn't hear it here. Probably won't work, but is this the Pacific Northwest? Is that what this is supposed to be? Okay.
Inspired by the great lodges that you would find in national parks.
Okay. I was like, but no, it's not. I've never seen one of the bathrooms where you could actually close off both the like bathtub area with the toilet and the vanity from the room. So it can be like somebody's just taken over completely. Some people are getting ready here and here, whatever. I like that. It's a nice little touch.
Made possible by the barn door.
By the barn door.
Yep. What's in that closet?
My feelings. Yep. Sure enough.
Well, what's that?
Here they are. This is what they call an iron. Oh, a steamer! A handheld iron. Only at Disney. That's crazy. It always says steamer and it's always an iron in there. That's funny. Anyway, you got your big old safe in here for holding things that are important to you. Again, like emotions. You can put those right over there. Lock them up. This is actually pretty big. I like the depth in the shelves here because you could choose to slide luggage in there. You can stack plenty of stuff in there. You got yourself your Keurig machine. You'll notice the backsplash here. I believe that is Bambi. That would be a butterfly. Owl has lost a limb. That's Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah, but there
That
is
is
an owl in
but there-
Bambi as well.
Okay, the scary one in the beginning, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, look, you get your 50th anniversaries Joffrey's in here. That's fun. That's nice. Put those in your bag when you're leaving if you're not using them.
Go down.
We got ourselves one of the fancy clear refrigerators, which I like because they're a little bigger. The sad part about this one is no beer.
No, we're not staying here.
It's not our room, so it's not as fun. Not as fun for us. Put a button. Okay, so then we have our room. This trash can is a little bit bigger than the normal ones I've seen lately, which I do appreciate because I feel like they've been really tiny lately. I noticed right away when I came in this backsplash back here, which if you'll notice has Chip and Dale in it, playing with some nuts. Or an acorn, I should say.
Is that in the exact same position they're in the Grand Californian room? Because I feel like it's very close if it's not the exact same.
It's got to be close, but it's definitely like they're not silhouetted in that one. They're actually there.
Yeah.
So it's interesting. I'd be interested to see if we could we'll have to look that up later and see with like picture because I know it's trees on that one too. So I'm wondering if this is literally the same design and someone in Photoshop just like played around with it or something. But what's cool is that you can see here
Your geode?
my geode. So I would take this bed so I could lay and stare at the geode at night.
Very nice.
I would insist upon it being on at all times. I think these are cute. These little ledges they have here. I like that it says camp.
Put your phone on there.
No. Was it supposed to do something?
You put your phone on there.
Oh, I thought it was going to charge.
Oh, just put your phone on there.
There's 2 plugs under here. Plenty of birthing room here if you need to do some calisthenic stretches. Right here on the side. Some more than enough space. Don't look at my butt. I know you did. And let's go over here to the
boudoir?
wardrobe. We're already in the boudoir.
Okay.
Is this one of the fancy connecting TVs or no?
No.
I don't think so.
No,
'cause
just
normally
regular
it has
TV.
The bottom one. Yeah, regular TV. But what's nice? 2 plugs, 2 USB ports here. Either side, plenty of charging stuff. But you know everyone's addicted to their phones, so they're not going to leave a phone there. But you could leave your watch there. You could leave your cameras there. Nothing there.
Well, drawers.
I'm going to take a little break right here if you don't mind. Because there's not 1 but 2. Look at this. 2 tables. So you could slide this one over if you got the grandparents from Willy Wonka staying in the bed so they can have their meals right next to the bed if they need
Well,
to.
you can have a TV dinner there.
Or you could pull in your chair and do a little desk right here too. Just have a TV dinner here and stare at the other people that are staying with you as they sleep.
Could eat steamed hams there.
It's good thinking space. Anyway, 2 chairs, and then you'll see here cabins. The camp was the other way.
Cabins. Cabins.
Cabin. Fever. There's more plugs behind you, and then let's take a look out here at all these people swimming. Because like we said, it's a pool view room. Also, this is like kind of a huge patio, I feel like.
Yeah.
A pretty big, decently sized one, but it really does have a really nice view of the resort because you've got the main pool right here. It's only 1 pool, isn't there?
There's one over at the villas.
For the DVC folks, I believe, there. But yeah, it's offers a nice grand view. You can wave to people if you'd like. I won't, because I'd be uncomfortable to make eye contact and they might wave back, so.
How pretty. And 2 chairs, 1 table. But that view. That is a masterful view. Rhino? Rhino? Rhino?
This one was not as easy to get under. This position is very uncomfortable. The smaller children will sleep here.
Are you sure it's just that one? It's not the other
I
side?
don't know. This one looks a little less. I feel like Drop Dead Fred right here. You want me to do the quote? No, I won't. Nope. This one also has a bar. I just almost hit my head on.
No. Maybe you should get back out.
Okay.
What are we left to do? What are you doing? You're just rolling on the... Okay.
How do people get up?
Okay. You still have to check out the bed, but did you look in the drawer for the Gideons?
This is a big moment. You think there's gonna be cookies in here?
Yes.
Oh! Jesus did not wait tonight. It's a bed check.
What do you think?
That's pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
Tis firm. I think it's a solid bed. Oh, that I am leaving trails of my fluff on my shirt from, so we're just gonna pretend like that didn't happen. And yeah. So if you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to leave us any comments in the comment section that we'll answer to the best of our ability. And this was ridiculous.